So I don't usually talk in these videos, but I've been asked quite a few times, mostly of my friends, why do you take those videos of a nature? It's always the same thing, just the nature. But I don't have that much of an answer when we're sitting in a pub or somewhere in my friend's house. But I would like all of them to come with me outside and see that. This is magic. The magic of a moment. I'm alone here with my dog, and the feeling around me is just great. That's why I do this, and another reason why I do this is that I'm quite convinced that we should protect nature. We're destroying our planet, and we're destroying all this beauty around us. We're in the heart of Europe. Nothing special here. We don't have great mountains and lakes and huge rivers, but look at the nature. That's something you cannot find anywhere else in the world. So we are special too, and that's why I do it. So I wanted to take out of me, tell you, and now we'll get back to the video.